Working life, jobs, offices, and career paths. Liam recently finished university and wanted to find a job in marketing. He applied to many companies and sent his resume with a cover letter. After 2 weeks, he got a call from a company and was invited to an interview. The interview went well. He talked about his skills, his studies, and the part-time experience he had during school. A few days later, the company made him a job offer. He accepted it and signed a 1-year contract. Now, Liam works full-time in a modern office in the city center. He works with a small team and enjoys working with his colleagues. His manager is supportive and gives helpful feedback. Sometimes they have meetings to discuss projects and share ideas. The company has flexible hours, so Liam can start work between 8 and 10 a.m. He usually finishes by 5 or 6 p.m. Occasionally, he has to stay late to meet a deadline, especially when they are launching a new product. Liam's job can be busy, but he likes the challenge. He wants to grow in his career, so he takes extra training and tries to learn new tools and techniques. He hopes to be promoted to a higher position next year. One of his friends, Jenny, works part-time in a cafe because she's still studying. She works evening shifts and sometimes on weekends. The salary isn't very high, but she likes the people and enjoys the work. Another friend, Mark, is currently unemployed. He lost his job last month and is now looking for a new one. He goes to job centers and applies online. He's also updating his resume and taking short online courses. Liam knows that working life is not always easy, but he believes that with good teamwork, motivation, and the right attitude, you can build a strong and meaningful career. He plans to work hard for many years before he retires.